Beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So a lot of people have been asking me questions about the Chase credit cards, and I never really review them on my channel, but I want to go ahead and review this credit card for you all, for those people that's looking to apply for it. Now, if this is your first time watching my channel, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you've been here before, send me some hugs. I'll hug you all back. Send me some hugs and ask me any questions that you guys have. Everyone, ask me any questions that you guys have, and then I'll make you a video about that question, or I'll just go ahead and answer it for you all. And again, I'm here making different videos for you guys. So if you have questions, ask them down below or catch me at one of my lives. And my lives is Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you guys. Now, let's get right on into this credit card. So a lot of people ask about the Chase credit cards, and if I wanted anyone to apply for the Chase credit cards, especially knowing if somebody was watching my videos lately, I've been going over credit cards for people that's building their credit. So if you're building your credit, this is like a great credit card that you guys can go ahead and get. And it's like an entryway to be able to get a Chase credit card. So here is the credit card here. So it's the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Let's go ahead and click on a credit card. So the best thing about this credit card is that you guys are going to get a $200 bonus. So when you first sign up for this card, you're going to get that $200 bonus. You guys are also going to get a cashback offer, which is 5% at gas stations. Y'all know gas is really high right now. Like, it's extremely high. So I'm really happy for those people that apply for this credit card and you guys are able to get that cashback offer on the gas. Now, I always tell you guys about Capital One, and let's actually let's talk about that afterwards for those people that may need to get that, because maybe you got denied for this one, because Capital One got the 1.5% cash back. And to me, that's the biggest thing that this one have, the 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases. But they got the Quicksilver one for people that don't have like perfect credit. You guys will have the 1.5% cash back on all of the purchases, just like the Chase Freedom. But we'll check that out afterwards. You guys are also going to earn 3% back at the drugstore. So if you guys are going to Walgreens, CVS, you guys are going to get 3% back, which is really good. And then you guys are going to get the 3% back on dine-in, like our restaurants and takeout delivery services. So if you guys are liking the Uber Eats, then you guys will love this, because you guys want to get the 3% cash back. And then you guys should check and see if you guys can do something called Instacart, because I get my groceries delivered to me. You guys should check out Instacart, and a lot of times you can just pay the $10 per month and you don't have to worry about additional fees other than tipping the person that brings your stuff. But you guys can have that delivery service. So if you guys are interested, I'll make sure I have my referral link down below. They'll give you $10, they'll give me $10, and we'll be both, we'll both be happy about that. So definitely, if you want to check out, like, wait, what other delivery services, check out the Instacart. And then I'll have my Uber one down below for those people that don't use it. But if you get this credit card, you guys are getting 3% cash back on it. So you probably should use it. Now, you guys are not going to get an annual fee. You guys know I do not like credit cards that have an annual fee, unless you want to get some amazing benefits. And when I say benefits, I mean more than like a 1.5% cash back, things like that. You guys are going to want some great benefits, like especially if you guys are traveling, if you guys want to rack up points so you guys can be able to do different things. But you want to make sure you have some benefits. But with this one, you don't have an annual fee and you guys are getting those benefits. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you guys, they are going to most likely pull your Experian credit report, but sometimes they can pull Equifax. If you guys recently got a pull from them, go ahead, drop it down below. Which credit bureau did they actually pull from? A lot of this information, like I can make this video now, it's 2022. People's going to watch this video in 2024, 2025, and information change. So go ahead, whenever you're watching this, put updated things in the video, like, oh yeah, I just applied March 2022. And they pull my Experian credit report, they pull my Equifax credit report. Make sure you guys drop those things down below, because it helps the channel in whole, so we can all be up to date on exactly what's going on. But they're going to pull your Experian credit report. And when I tell you guys that Experian, you guys are not just getting your score from them. Like you're not just getting that from Credit Karma. So a lot of people just have Credit Karma and they look on there and they don't even know what their credit score is on Credit Karma, but they're going to want a 690 FICO score. So a lot of people don't even know what that credit score is. If you're not getting your credit reports, I have a link down below where you guys can get all 3 of your credit scores and your credit reports. But you're going to have a 690 FICO score, Experian, Equifax. I will say try to make sure all 3 of them, because you just never know who they're going to pull from. But you're going to want to have a 690 FICO score. And you can get your FICO score from, I get it from Experian.com. I get my credit reports from them. I get my FICO score. You guys can get it from there also. But you want to have like a 690 FICO. And again, you want Experian credit report, 690 FICO. Make sure you guys don't have negative accounts in your credit reports. If you guys have negative accounts, this can actually make it so that you guys cannot get a credit card with them, because they want to make sure you guys have good credit. A lot of times I look at people's credit reports and they'll have other credit cards and like, I'm not getting another credit card. Something's going wrong. But then I see that they have a new collection on a credit report. They have charge-offs on their credit reports. You guys work to remove these different accounts. And I have my exclusive membership with a $1 trial for you guys to get in there, see what's going on, and start doing something to fix those different things so you can get approved for like the Chase credit card like we have here. Now they have another rule, which is called the 524 rule. And I'm going to go over this rule deeply with you all in tomorrow's video. Now for this one, they will not allow you to get another Chase credit card, or they will not allow you to get any Chase credit card. I mean, any of them, if you have more than 5 new accounts on your credit reports. And when I say new accounts, I mean you have more, they're actually within the last 24 months. So it's 5 credit cards within the last 24 months. So if you guys have those 5 credit cards because you've been going crazy applying for credit cards, then you may just automatically not be able to get a credit card because of that. But check out the video tomorrow. I'm going to go into greater detail about the 524 rule, because it's going to make a big difference, especially like for those people that's trying to get business credit cards. You guys need to know a lot about personal credit to tie it into the business credit cards, because if you guys start trying to get your business together and you guys are personally guaranteeing a lot of these credit cards, they're going to show up on your personal credit reports. They're going to mess with your utilization. And on top of them messing up your utilization, if you guys were to have like a business credit card and you're like, oh, that's not going to count in my 524, that's a lie. It's going to count. So I want you guys to watch the video to see how you guys can get around it. But since you guys are here, let me just tell you a trick. If you guys cannot get this because you messed up with the 524, right? If you guys messed up, you already have more credit cards because you've just been going crazy, then you guys can go ahead and apply for the Amazon credit card. So Amazon credit card is through Chase. It's their co-branded card. So they're allowing you to get this credit card and it not be counted. So if you guys have this credit card, it won't be counted. Or say if you guys want to get another credit card, definitely go ahead and apply for the Amazon credit card. I told you guys about the Amazon credit card before, but I'll make sure I have the links to both of these credit cards down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Now, I told you guys I was going to talk to you guys about Capital One, so let me show you what I meant. So if you guys wanted to get the Chase credit card and you finding out that you can't get it because of the 690 credit score, the negative accounts on the credit report, or the 524 rule, then see if you can get a Capital One credit card. Some people may not know about it. You may know about it, but you can at least get pre-qualified and pre-approved for a credit card without them checking your credit reports. So that's not going to be a hard inquiry for you guys. So go ahead and see if they can actually pre-approve you for a credit card. And remember I told you guys are going to get that 1.5% cash back. That's the Quicksilver rewards. That's what I was thinking about, the Quicksilver rewards. But this one actually has a $39 annual fee, and the other one, the Chase, does not have a $39 annual fee. But if you guys cannot get that Chase credit card because maybe your credit score is low, you got things on your credit reports, then try to see if you can get this credit card, especially if you're just trying to get in the door to get credit cards and you just automatically seeing like maybe commercials or something with Chase and you're like, oh, let me get the Chase. And now you find out you can't get it. Try to get easier credit cards like this Capital One. Now, if you guys have any questions, you guys can schedule a call down below. Now, I've been losing my mind with these calls, you guys. I'm not going to lie. I opened up the calls since I had the baby, and I've kind of been losing my mind. I've been losing my mind. I'm doing so many things. So if you guys schedule a call, if you already a current client, I'm going to automatically try to keep your appointment. But if you guys are not a current client, I'm probably going to have to push your appointment back. to another available time, and it may be longer. So you may have to wait for an appointment. But don't forget, I got the exclusive membership trial for $1. Go ahead and come through with the trial, pay the $1, come through with the trial, and you can schedule a call or keep whatever call that you actually scheduled. And if you guys want to stay, you can stay. If you don't, then you can go ahead and cancel the trial and you won't get charged a monthly fee. But go ahead, sign up for the trial if you guys need to get your credit together anyway, because that's what we do in there. I help you guys learn how to remove accounts from your credit reports. I even help you guys send out the letters to get these accounts removed. And then also, I teach you guys about which credit cards you should be applying for. And you get access to me. Like I just said, you can schedule a call with me. But if you guys have any questions, schedule that call, and I'll see you guys inside of my exclusive membership. If you guys are watching me tonight, then I'll see you tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am going live, so I'm excited about that to answer any questions that you guys have. But I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.